Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys app lock off setting, how to turn off app lock, how to remove app lock in Infinix phone device. Friends, you don't want to use Infinix mobile app lock setting, you want to remove. So friends, how to remove app lock setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to remove app lock in Infinix mobile. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone security setting. After phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone app lock setting. Draw your app lock pattern, and friends, you don't know your password, you can forget your app lock password. Friends, click your forget option and you can forget app lock password after enter security question. If you know security question, you can unlock your app lock setting. So friends, we will draw app lock password, we will draw pattern. Which app friends you want to unlock, friends you can unlock from here, and you want to lock new app, so you can lock new app from here. And you don't want to use app lock setting, right click here. Friends, you can off app lock setting. After turn off app lock, you cannot use app lock setting as all app is unlocked in your Infinix mobile. You can check gallery app is unlocked, contact app is unlocked, Chrome app is unlocked, app every app is unlocked in my device, file app is unlocked. So like that friends, we can remove app lock, we can turn off app lock in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And friends, again you want to use app lock setting, so then open your phone setting again, app lock setting, draw new pattern, again draw pattern, same pattern, enter security question and remember the security question, done. Again you can start app lock setting and you can use it. And you don't want to use, right click here and you can off app lock from here. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Friends, do you have any doubt, do you have any problem, you can ask me in comment section. Bye.